You walk out to your driveway at dusk. You look at the front of your vehicle. The headlights are foggy, yellowed, and heavily oxidized. They look like dirty milk. At night, your visibility is cut by nearly 80%. You cannot see pedestrians. You cannot see animals. You cannot see road hazards until it is too late. This is a massive safety hazard. The auto industry tells you to go to a body shop where they charge $150 to $300 to professionally restore them. Today, I will reveal to you how to permanently restore headlight clarity using a $1 rare earth mineral that triggers tribochemical bonding at the molecular level, dissolving oxidation while depositing a flawless glass-like finish. But stop. If you just rub sandpaper on the plastic lens, you are physically scratching and damaging the surface, creating permanent microscopic grooves that trap moisture and accelerate yellowing. You must use the tribochemical restoration protocol to chemically repair the plastic at the molecular level. I will explain that exact execution shortly, but first you need to understand the predatory auto parts cartel that engineered this planned obsolescence and profits from your recurring failure. This is the lost blueprint. You walk out to your driveway. You look at your headlights. They are foggy, yellowed, oxidized. They look terrible, but worse, they are dangerous. At night, you turn them on. The light is dim. It scatters. It does not project forward. The yellow haze diffuses the beam. You see maybe 20 feet ahead. You should see 200 feet. You are driving blind. Pedestrians step into the road. You do not see them until they are 10 feet away. You slam the brakes, barely avoid collision. Your heart pounds. This is unacceptable. This is a safety crisis. And it was engineered deliberately. The auto industry tells you to go to a body shop. They charge $150 to $300 to professionally restore your headlights. Or you go to the auto parts store. You buy a $40 DIY kit. The kit contains sandpaper discs in various grits, 300 grit, 600 grit, 1000 grit, 2000 grit, plus a chemical UV sealant spray. The instructions say to wet sand the headlight progressively with finer grits. Then spray the sealant. You follow the instructions. You spend an hour grinding away at your plastic lenses with sandpaper. The yellow layer comes off. The lens looks clear. You spray the UV sealant. It dries. The headlight looks brand new, crystal clear. You are satisfied. The kit worked. You spend $40 on the kit, plus your time, an hour per headlight, 2 hours total. The headlights look good for exactly 6 months. Then you notice the haze returning, the yellow tint creeping back. Within 8 months, the headlight is completely yellow again, worse than before. You are confused. You sanded it. You sealed it. Why did it fail? You buy another kit. You sand again. You seal again. It fails again, 6 months later. The cycle repeats. You're trapped in an engineered failure cycle, bleeding cash to a $1.5 billion headlight restoration industry that intentionally sells you temporary polymer coatings that they know will fail. The physics they buried is tribochemical polishing. Before 1992, cars had glass headlights. Glass does not yellow. Glass does not oxidize. Glass is permanent, but glass is heavy. Glass is expensive to manufacture. Glass breaks in accidents. In the early 1990s, the auto cartel switched to polycarbonate plastic. Polycarbonate is lightweight. It is cheap to mold. It does not shatter, but it has a catastrophic weakness. It violently degrades under UV light. This is called photo-oxidation. Ultraviolet radiation from the sun breaks the polymer chains in the polycarbonate. The plastic surface becomes rough, porous, oxidized. It turns yellow. It becomes opaque. The headlight fails. The auto manufacturers knew this. They chose polycarbonate anyway. Why? Because it saves them money. A glass headlight assembly costs $50 to manufacture. A polycarbonate headlight costs $15. Multiply that across millions of vehicles. Billions of dollars saved. But they created a new problem. Headlights that degrade in 3 to 5 years. They engineered planned obsolescence. But they did not tell consumers. They did not warn buyers. They simply sold cars with plastic headlights and waited for the complaints to roll in. When headlights began yellowing, the aftermarket industry appeared. Restoration kits, professional services, chemical sealants. The auto parts cartel saw opportunity. They developed sandpaper-based kits. They marketed heavily. Do it yourself. Save money, restore clarity. But sandpaper is abrasive. It physically damages the lens. You are grinding away plastic, creating microscopic scratches. These scratches trap moisture. They scatter light. They accelerate oxidation. The headlight looks clear temporarily, but the damage is permanent. The sealant they provide is a polymer coating. It fills the scratches temporarily, but UV light degrades it. Within 6 months, the coating breaks down. Moisture gets trapped underneath. The headlight turns completely yellow again. You must sand again. Buy another kit. The cycle continues forever. To fix it properly, the precision optics industry, surgeons polishing medical lenses, and even NASA restoring the Hubble Space Telescope mirrors use a suppressed $1 rare earth mineral called cerium oxide. Cerium oxide is a pale yellow powder. It is cerium dioxide, CEO2. It is mined from rare earth mineral deposits. It costs almost nothing. 50 grams costs $2. That is enough to restore 10 cars. But the auto cartel hid this because a permanent 15-cent fix destroys their recurring revenue model. Cerium oxide does not scratch the surface like sandpaper. It works through tribochemistry. This is chemistry activated by friction. When you rub cerium oxide powder mixed with water onto oxidized polycarbonate, something extraordinary happens at the molecular level. The friction generates localized heat. The cerium oxide particles are harder than the damaged oxidized layer, but softer than the healthy polycarbonate underneath. As you rub, the cerium oxide mechanically abrades only the oxidized surface layer. But simultaneously, a chemical reaction occurs. The cerium oxide bonds with oxygen atoms in the damaged plastic. It forms temporary chemical complexes. These complexes dissolve the oxidized material. The damaged plastic literally flows away as a yellowish-brown slurry. But the cerium oxide does more. It deposits a nanometer scale layer of cerium and silica compounds on the polycarbonate surface. This layer is glass-like, smooth, optically perfect. It fills microscopic imperfections. It creates a flawless finish. The headlight is not just cleaned. It is structurally repaired at the molecular level. This is not new technology. Cerium oxide has been used for precision optical polishing since the early 1900s. Telescope makers use it. Microscope manufacturers use it. Jewelers use it to polish gemstones. NASA used it to restore the Hubble Space Telescope primary mirror after the infamous spherical aberration was discovered. They polished the mirror with cerium oxide slurry, restored optical perfection. But the auto industry never told consumers about it. Why? Because it works too well. It is too cheap. It is too permanent. A $2 bag of cerium oxide eliminates the need for recurring $40 kits. The business model collapses. Now I will give you the exact tribochemical restoration protocol. But first, understand this clearly. This is raw chemical physics. Cerium oxide powder is a fine particulate. When dry, it can become airborne. Inhaling it can irritate your respiratory system. Protect your lungs. Wear a respirator mask rated for fine dust. Wear safety goggles to protect your eyes. Work in a well-ventilated area. You are responsible for your own safety and property. Now, here's the protocol. You need cerium oxide powder. It is sold online as optical polishing compound or glass polishing powder. 50 grams costs approximately $2. This will restore 10 to 15 headlights. You also need a microfiber cloth or foam polishing pad, masking tape, dish soap, and water. Total investment is less than $5. You will restore both headlights permanently for the cost of a cup of coffee. Step 1 is surface preparation. Wash the headlight thoroughly with dish soap and water. Remove all dirt, bugs, and road grime. The surface must be clean. Dry it completely. Then use masking tape to protect the painted surfaces around the headlight. Tape off the hood, fender, and bumper edges. The cerium oxide will not damage paint, but it is easier to work if you tape boundaries. This takes 5 minutes. Step 2 is the catalyst paste. In a small plastic cup, mix 1 tablespoon of cerium oxide powder with 2 tablespoons of water. Stir thoroughly. The mixture will be a thin, chalky paste. Consistency, like thin yogurt or pancake batter. The water acts as a lubricant. It allows the cerium oxide to flow across the surface. It also activates the tribochemical reaction. The paste should not be too thick. If it is too thick, add more water. If it is too thin, add more powder. The correct consistency allows smooth rubbing without the paste drying out immediately. Step 3 is the molecular polish. Fold a microfiber cloth into a small pad, or use a foam polishing pad if you have one. Dip the pad into the cerium oxide paste. The pad should be saturated but not dripping. Apply the paste to the foggy headlight surface. Now rub firmly in circular motions. Apply moderate pressure. You are not sanding, you are polishing. The friction generates heat. The tribochemical reaction begins. The cerium oxide particles abrade the oxidized layer. The damaged plastic dissolves. The paste turns from white to yellowish brown. This is the oxidation being lifted out of the polycarbonate. Continue rubbing for 3 to 5 minutes. Cover the entire headlight surface. Reapply paste as needed. The more oxidized the headlight, the longer it takes. Heavily yellowed headlights may require 10 minutes of polishing. Step 4 is inspection and repeat if necessary. After polishing, wipe the headlight clean with a damp cloth. Remove all cerium oxide residue. Inspect the clarity. If the headlight is crystal clear, you are done. If there are still hazy spots, apply more paste and polish those areas again. Most moderately oxidized headlights become completely clear after 1 application. Severely yellowed headlights may require 2 applications. Step 5 is final cleaning. Once the headlight is clear, wash it thoroughly with soap and water. Remove all remaining cerium oxide powder. Dry with a clean towel. The headlight is now restored. The plastic is structurally repaired at a molecular level. It features factory-grade crystal clarity. The tribochemical process has deposited a protective nanoscale layer. This layer resists UV degradation. It will outlast any chemical spray sealant on the market. No additional sealing is necessary. The restoration is permanent. The transformation is dramatic. Before treatment, the headlight is opaque yellow. Light output is severely reduced. After treatment, the headlight is crystal clear, transparent. The light beam projects properly. Visibility is restored to factory specifications. The difference is night and day. Literally, you can see the road. You can see pedestrians. You can drive safely. The permanence is extraordinary. Sandpaper-based kits fail in 6 months because they damage the surface. Chemical sealants degrade under UV light, but tribochemical polishing repairs the plastic molecularly. The cerium oxide bonds with the polycarbonate surface. It creates a stable structure. There is no coating to degrade, no scratches to trap moisture. The headlight remains clear for years. Some users report clarity lasting over 5 years with no retreatment. This is because the process fundamentally changes the surface chemistry. It is not a temporary cosmetic fix. It is permanent structural repair. The financial impact is staggering. Professional headlight restoration services charge $150 to $300. DIY kits cost $40 and fail every 6 months. Over 5 years, you spend $200 to $400 on recurring kits, or you pay $300 for professional service that also eventually fails. Total cost over vehicle lifetime can exceed $1,000. Cerium oxide costs $2. One bag treats 10 cars. Cost per headlight pair is 40 cents. The savings are enormous. The effectiveness is superior. The permanence is guaranteed. The safety benefit is critical. Foggy headlights are not just cosmetic problems. They are life-threatening hazards. Reduced visibility causes accidents. Pedestrians are struck. Animals are hit. Vehicles collide. People die. Restoring headlight clarity saves lives. This is not hyperbole. This is physics. Light must project properly. Drivers must see. Clear headlights are essential safety equipment. The broader lesson is about engineered obsolescence versus permanent solutions. The auto industry deliberately chose materials that degrade. They created recurring problems. Then they profit from selling temporary fixes. This is the core business model of modern consumer capitalism. Build products that fail, sell replacements and repairs, generate infinite revenue. But tribochemical polishing breaks the cycle. It is a permanent fix. It costs nothing. It works forever. This threatens the entire restoration industry. So they suppressed it. They hid it from consumers. They promoted abrasive sandpaper instead. But the physics remained. The chemistry remained. It was just waiting to be rediscovered. By using this $2 cerium oxide treatment, you refuse to pay a $300 ransom to a body shop for a disease the auto manufacturers engineered. You bypass the auto parts cartel. You use 100-year-old optical science to reclaim the safety of your vehicle, taking back your independence for less than the cost of a cup of coffee. The $2 bag of rare earth mineral is more powerful than $300 of professional restoration services, because the truth is simple. When you understand tribochemical bonding, you do not need their sandpaper. This is the lost blueprint. The vault is open. The knowledge is yours. Restore your vision with molecular independence.